Okay, who's the one making all the noise?
I don't know, but is it recording what we're saying?
Mm-hmm.
I'll tell you the story after it's not recording.
Is this Monica?
That's Monica!
Monica, start eating. Take after me.
There's Mandy. There's, I think this is, yeah. There's Miley.
Okay, Miley's
Madden.
the big girl. Madden, the big boy.
Matthew, Mac, and Mallory.
Where's Mallory? Oh, there's a little girl under there.
And Mama, who's snoring after her walk. She's so much happier after she gets
sleepy
exercise.
Oh, she's such a good mama. Oh, everybody's so quiet when they're eating.
Some aren't as quiet as others.